Ready to ditch those generic loops and craft your own killer beats? Let's unlock the secrets of FL Studio, breaking down the channel rack, playlist, piano roll, and mixer while your core tools for beatmaking mastery. First, set your tempo. Up here, you can dial in your BPM experiment to find the perfect vibe for your track. Load drum samples into the channel rack. Click the plus button to add instruments or samples. I'm adding a kick, snare, and hi-hat to get us started. Now, let's build a basic drum pattern. Click on the gray steps under each sample to create a sequence: a simple 4/5 kick, snare on beats 2 and 4, and some hi-hats in between. Open the piano roll to create melodies or more complex drum patterns. Right-click a sample in the channel rack and select piano roll. Here, you can draw in notes, adjust their length, and even change their velocity to add dynamics. A higher velocity makes the sample louder. Drag and drop your patterns from the channel rack into the playlist to arrange your song. Think intro, verse, chorus. The basic building blocks of any track. Duplicate your patterns to extend sections. Finally, head over to the mixer to refine your sound. Assign each drum sample to its own mixer track. Use EQ to shape the frequencies, compression to add punch, and maybe even a touch of reverb for some atmosphere. That's the foundation. Experiment with different samples, patterns, and mixing techniques to create your unique sound. Now go forth and create some fire beats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more FL Studio tips and tricks.